Friends, I am your Jahid sir and welcome to the Jahid sir's math class. Today I am going to explain 2-mark questions from model paper. Okay, let us start the video. Here 2-mark questions starts from 13. First look at this. Write all answers. Each question carry 2 marks. So every question 2 marks. Total 8 questions. 8 to the 16 marks, means 8 questions are there. First 13th question, find the points 2, 3, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2 are vertices of triangle. Find the centroid of the triangle. We are going to find the centroid of the triangle there. Centroid means intersecting point of medians. We have direct formula. What is that formula? Centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This one is centroid formula. So now what are the x1, x2, x3, x4? x1, y1 is equal to first point 2, 3. x2, y2 means second point minus 5, minus 1. And x3, y3. What is x3, y3? Third point 3, minus 2. Now substitute these values here. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. These all 3. So you can write these 3 values. 2 minus 5 plus 3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 means last 3 term numbers 3 minus 1 minus 2. So 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Now what is the value? Here 2 minus 5 minus 3 plus 3 0. 0 by 3. Here 3 minus 1. So 2. 2 minus 2 0. So 0 by 3. What is the final answer? 0 comma 0. 0 by 3 means 0 only. 0 by anything 0. Okay. Now next question. Here 2 concentric circles of radii 5 and 3 centimeters are drawn. 2 concentric circles are there. For example, one circle this one, another circle like this. What concentric means? This one is 5 centimeters. Concentric means same center. 2 circles having the same center. That's why this one small circle radius 3. Now find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Now we are going to find the largest chord which is touches the smallest circle. I will draw one chord which touches the smallest circle. Okay, like this. Now this angle is 90 degrees, we know. Is it? 90 degrees. Here for example A, this one is B. center always O. Here take D. Now O, this one is right triangle. This one here also 5 centimeters. Why? Because this one is the radius of larger circle. So in triangle ODB, I took that side triangle ODB, angle ODB is equal to 90 degrees and OB is equal to 5 centimeters. OD is equal to 3 centimeters. Why? Because this one is radii of two concentric circles. Now what he asked there? Length of the chord. This one he asked length of the chord which touches the smaller circle. Means we are going to find the AB length. First from this triangle by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OB square we know 5, so 5 square. OD also we know 3 square plus BD square. Now 25, 5 square means 25, 3 square means 9 plus BD square. Now 25 minus 9 is equal to BD square. 25 minus 9, 16 is equal to BD square. Now BD is equal to square root 16. Square root 16 value is 4. Plus or minus 4 actually. But here length is there, that's why we took only positive values. BD is equal to 4. Now look at this diagram. BD is the half of AB. So that AB is equal to 2 into BD. Means 2 into BD value is 4. 2 4 ja 8. So AB is 8. Longest chord which touches the smaller circle is 8 centimeters. Okay. Now next question. 15th question. If x is equal to log 15th question, x is equal to log 3 to the base 2. Don't read log 2 cube. This one is log 3 to the base 2. Next y value also given log 5 to the base 2. Now evaluate log 15 to the base 2. So first log 15 to the base 2. We know that log 15 means 3 5 are 15. So to the base 2. And then one formula is there in logarithms. And the log problems also I explained there. I will give the link in description. Go there and check the log problems first from chapter 1. Okay, this one is formula log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. This one is the formula. Okay, by using this formula, here into is there xy, means into is there, then we should write plus symbol in the middle. Now log 15 to the base 2 is equal to what comes here? Log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Here log 3 to the base 2, log 5 to the base 2. Already he given log 15 to the base 2 is equal to log 3 to the base 2 value is x. So here we should write x plus log 5 to the base 2. This value is equal to y. That's why y. So answer is x plus y. Okay. Now next 16th question now. Now 16th question. Check whether the equations 2x plus 3y equal to 1, 3x minus y equal to 7 have unique solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solution. Again we are going to find the a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Unique solution means intersecting lines. Infinitely many solutions means coincident lines. No solution means parallels. That's why first we are going to find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Now what is a1? a1 is equal to 2. a2, this one, a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3. Like that, b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to, here nothing is there means 1, so minus 1, and then c1 is equal to, already this is in this side equation, that's why this one 1 now. Here also c2, this c2 value also this side only there, right hand side, that's why we can take 7 there. Now find out a1 by a2, 2 by 3, and then find b1 by b2, 3 by minus 1. These two are not equal, is it? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. No need to check c1 by c2 there. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That's why these are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are having only one solution, means unique solution. Here given lines are given equations. Given equations have unique solution. Okay.